Hello, everybody. It's Miss Macaulay. So today we're going to be working on this word problem. It's got a little basket here. It says word problem. So when you find this page, let's put our name right here. CNAME. That spells name. So I'm going to write my name, Macaulay, but you write your name. Okay, while you're writing your name, I'm going to remind you that anytime if I'm going too fast on this video, just pause to slow it down so that you can catch up. And then when you're caught up, you can unpause. Okay, so pause whenever you need it. All right, our standard is 1 for first grade, OA for operations and algebraic thinking, part A1. And this standard is about solving word problems up to within 20. Okay, so the answer can't be bigger than 20. So we're solving word problems. All right, here we go. It says here, there, I'm going to read it. And the first time we're going to read it, we're going to think about the answer. The question is, who is the story about? You don't need to write down the word who. I just wrote it down to remind you. Okay, who is the story about? There were 3 apples, 2 bananas, and 1 orange in the basket. How many things were in the basket altogether? So, who is this story about? Yeah, it's about the fruit in the basket, right? The apples, bananas, and orange in the basket. That's who it's about. Okay, the next question is what's happening with the fruit in this basket? What's happening? Okay, I'm going to read it again. There were 3 apples, 2 bananas, and 1 orange in the basket. How many things were in the basket altogether? So, what's happening with the fruit? Yeah, they're in the basket, right? They're in this basket. Okay. So, next question is what are we trying to find out? Okay, and you don't say the answer. We're trying to find out what information are we missing about about the fruit. Okay, so let's find out. There were 3 apples, 2 bananas, and 1 orange in the basket. How many things were in the basket altogether? So we want to find out how many things were in the basket altogether. That's what we want to find out. So underline that question. How many things were in the basket altogether? Please underline that. Okay, so now we're thinking about this. Oh, how many things were in the basket altogether? That means all the things in the basket. Okay, that's what we want to find out. How many were all the things in the basket? So, what was in the basket? Let's draw it. It says here, draw it. What was in the basket? 3 apples. Okay, so I'm going to draw 3 apples. Now, I don't know how to draw apples, so I'm just going to draw circles instead of, well, no, let me think. I'm going to draw, well, no, let's see if I can draw 3 apples. Okay, there's one. And the apples have kind of like a bumpy bottom, right? There's 2. Okay, there's 3 apples. Okay, then it says 2 bananas were also in the basket. So I'm going to draw bananas. I'm not very good at drawing bananas, but we'll see. It's got a little thing here, and then it goes. So it's got a little top here, like a little rectangle at the top, and then it makes like a crescent. 3 bananas, no, 2 bananas. So 3 apples and 2 bananas. Okay. And then it says 1 orange. So let me see if I can draw 1 orange. An orange is a circle, and then it's got these dots. Can you see that? It's a circle with a little, round thing right here. And then it's got these dots. Well, no, it doesn't look like an orange. Let me think. An orange, it's a circle with the orange dot, and then it's got a little orange. Okay, there's my orange. Okay, so here's my 3 apples, 2 bananas, and 1 orange. If you want to pause the video so you can finish drawing, go ahead and do that now. Pause the video. Okay, now here it says answer it. So I'm not going to tell you the answer and I'm not going to do it for you. You're going to have to answer how many things were in that basket all together. Okay? How many things were in that basket all together? Here is where you write the answer. I'm not going to do it for you. You've got to do this part. Okay? All right. So what were we learning today? Yeah, we're learning to solve word problems, right? All right, great job. I'm going to turn off this video.